In the digital age, the emergence of technology-driven economies is changing the very fabric of how we work. Among these transformative shifts, the rise of the gig economy stands out. Leveraging flexibility and innovation, it is rapidly altering traditional employment landscapes. At the heart of this revolution are delivery apps such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Postmates, which offer solutions tailored to modern-day necessities. But what exactly underpins this surge in delivery apps? And what are its implications for workers and consumers alike? To begin understanding the gig economy's growth, it's essential to grasp what sets it apart. Unlike conventional employment, the gig economy splits labor into temporary, flexible jobs, often facilitated by digital platforms. Workers, called gig workers or freelancers, engage in short-term contracts or task-based assignments. This structure appeals to a diverse demographic, from those seeking supplemental income to individuals in pursuit of flexible working hours. It promises convenience and autonomy rarely found in standard roles. Delivery apps have capitalized on these principles, creating a tangible intersection between modern consumer demands and technological advancements. Picture the scenario. A meal is ordered via an app, and within minutes, a delivery partner is on their way. The process seems seamless, but what's powering it is an intricate network of algorithms, geolocation data, and real-time efficiency models. Such technology not only benefits consumers seeking prompt service, but also attracts workers seeking flexible, on-demand opportunities. However, the simplicity enjoyed by users and nimbleness offered to workers must be scrutinized for its broader societal impacts. For delivery partners, the lure of setting one's own schedule and working independently is significant. Yet, this autonomy also introduces challenges. Without fixed contracts, stability is elusive. Rates fluctuate, benefits like health insurance are self-provided, and during economic downturns, job insecurity looms larger than ever. It raises pivotal questions about the sustainability and long-term viability of gig-based careers. On the consumer side, delivery apps offer a dual-edged sword. Access to a wider range of culinary options with the convenience of doorstep delivery is undeniably appealing. The competitive pricing models fueled by app-based services mean consumers often pay less than dining in. However, hidden beneath this convenience is the pressure on traditional restaurants now caught in a race to maintain margins, while adapting to changing consumer behaviors and delivery partner commissions. Let us also consider the environmental ramifications. The surge in delivery services coincides with increased packaging waste, heightened carbon emissions from frequent short-distance travel, and the deeper ecological footprint of maintaining vast networks of active delivery partners. As consumers benefit from the thrill of immediate gratification, there is a growing imperative to balance convenience with conscious consumption. With these factors in play, evaluating the gig economy's role in our lives becomes an intricate dance of weighing flexibility against predictability, autonomy against stability, and convenience against sustainability. The rise of delivery apps embodies the best and the challenges of modern technological integration into daily life. As we move forward, it becomes crucial for all stakeholders, workers, companies, consumers, and policymakers, to engage constructively. This involves pushing for regulations that safeguard gig workers' rights without stifling innovation, promoting fair competition between traditional businesses and app-based services, and fostering consumer habits that are not only economically sound, but environmentally mindful. In essence, navigating the gig economy, particularly with delivery apps in focus, is akin to exploring a new frontier. The choices made today will inevitably shape the socio-economic and environmental landscape of tomorrow. With careful deliberation, the gig economy can lead to a future where technology serves as a true enabler of prosperity, equality, and sustainability for all. And in this evolving digital revolution, each participant is tasked with playing their part thoughtfully, ensuring that the gig economy continues to offer more than just temporary solutions, but lasting, positive impact. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.